In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset Plus500 demo account. So to do this, first you want to switch to your demo account. You can do this down here at the bottom left. So just click on switch to demo money over here, just like this, and it's going to switch you over to demo money or to your demo account. You could also do this here in the top. If you are inside your real money account, just click on here where it's going to say switch to demo account. Then you want to go to funds over here inside your demo account, and this is basically where you can set your demo funds. So I'm going to click on set demo funds, and then you have to enter the amount. Now by default it's going to be 40,000. Okay, so for me, as you can see, I've wasted a bit, and now you can just enter the whole number. So I'm going to do like 40k right now, and it's going to put in 40k. If I click on the submit button over here, as you can see, it put me basically to roughly 40k, and that's going to reset your Plus500 demo account just like this. Okay, so that's the best way to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.